My name is Johnny McClanahan. I work with North Central Telephone Cooperative. We're based in Lafayette, Tennessee. We serve 5 counties in North Middle Tennessee and 5 counties in South Central Kentucky. We've got about 31,000 total broadband lines now. We've got about 12,000 voice lines, 4,000 BDO customers. We've been around since 1951, providing a service to these very rural areas in Tennessee and Kentucky. Started pulling fiber in our area several years ago. We currently have got fiber to all of our service area. We can provide gigabit, multi-gig speeds to all of our customers in our service area. We can provide the same type of service you can get in urban areas. I think our rural service areas is as good or better. By providing this service, I think it's increased customer penetration. Businesses have moved into our area, telehealth, telemedicine, agricultural aspects. I think what we've done is greatly enabled the business and the customers and the business in our area to a better standard of life. We've had everything within our TC from those old C-band things back years ago to DBS, DirecTV, IPTV. Currently, right now, we've got the crowd fiber with the NRTC, which is great, or crowd fiber, which is great. We've had that several years as far as customer and marketing and everything. We've used Pivot in the past for marketing purposes as well. We're now working to get the MVNO offering started within our TC. Y'all been good to work with us on that. We're part of the Tri-Light group in Tennessee. The staff at NRTC has always been great to work with. If we've got questions or issues, y'all are just respond back really quick and get our needs satisfied. And I just wouldn't hesitate to contact y'all with any kind of issue that we've got. And it's just been great to work with NRTC. Oh gosh, I like several kind of desserts. I really like chocolate cake. So.